say no form kokram breast cancer awareness month mu na yewe wo be ma kwaje ho ntete ne ukwan be fa so handle no for no na yemfiri ho no na yenkokomfo no che aban ayaresabia na how ba kwa ya na wo mu pa ye wo mu ebe ye operation na obehwe no na nipa dodo no ye bunkama fa doctor fo a wo mu eye no so sansa bia ya wo mu ye sa papai no ye nipa mu adwuma no so no ho nsema se no so sa na nam so ma se mpanifo apa minimally invasive surgery when ya bia ye bia wochiremu surgery a emunya din pi no ene ho anu atenete se bia nipa emobompe so wo Konfanoche abaya sabia apa minimally invasive surgical procedure ehontomo asese wo befa sa akwa ne so ahwe omanfo wo se obaya resabia ohia se wo paapai wo mu kana bi atwam no na omanfo wo baya resabia ohia surgery no oye wo mu surgery wia agese wo daya resabia wo no mu ama wo kuro no adwudwu wo mu ansa otimi ayi wo mu akofie na so minimally invasive surgery Directorate of Obstetrics and Gynecology ediaba ewo Konfanoche abaya resabia na ebeboa amadwumadi na kwa wano eya obia enhyeda ennim Head of Directorate Dr. Michael Yeboa enchiremu sei enwode etudwa.
There are numerous advantages, as in less blood loss, less pain, less infection, quicker recovery times, which will save us. So we are working very hard with management to ensure that the cost, at least for starts, the cost is not so much.
Medical Director of Konfanoche abaya resabia Dr. Kojo Saben echemu se adwumadi ebeboa ama enipa ebope so ya resabia wono so akofom.
Along the lines, the patients that we manage, that they spend a lot of time with us. They occupy beds for a very long time because of challenges that comes with big incisions and surgery. This is something that the hospital has been working on for the past few years.
Professor Marion Ketchley, a head of department, obstetrics and gynecology. Adom Kasee.
I'm a doctor and I wanted to see KATH, the University Hospital of Knust. And so I visited the wards of gynecology and I saw all those women suffering from the surgery, the large scars. For instance, they had a surgery on removing a fibroid, or they had an extrauterine gravity or something.